Over the weekend, the 5th and 6th of July 2025, I attended the Pontypool and Blaenavon Model Railway Open Day, held at the Blaenavon Heritage Railway. This year's event, run by their in-house model railway club, featured their own layouts in O, OO and N Gauge, with club rooms open to visitors, alongside a number of visiting layouts which were also on display in their tea room at Finnis Siding Station. Steam locomotive Hudsall Clark number 1208, Illingworth, was also in operation, with departures from Furness Sidings. This was my first time visiting this lovely Welsh heritage railway, and it was a pleasure to combine my first visit of this open day of the Pontypool and Blaenavon Model Railway Club. With both club layouts and visiting layouts in attendance, in this video we're going to take a look at all of them. Exhibition videos like this are made possible by the patrons on Patreon and our channel members. If you're interested in supporting the production of future videos, head on over to my Patreon, the link is in the description below. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos coming out regularly. Morton Road MPD is an N-gauge modular layout, exhibited by Andrew May. This layout represents a fictitious motive power depot, and the name Morton Road was chosen in homage to a dear departed friend, Bernard Morton. It's a thoughtful tribute within a detailed miniature scene. Coley Road, an OO gauge Western Region station layout exhibited by Gerald. This layout depicts a station scene from the Western region, capturing the distinctive atmosphere of that era in OO gauge. Hornby free rail layout, a multi-track free rail Hornby DUBLO layout exhibited by Arthur Llewellyn. This classic setup showcases the iconic Hornby DUBLO free rail system, featuring multiple tracks for comprehensive operation. Christmas Snow Scene, a twin-track OO gauge layout exhibited by Arthur Llewellyn. As the name suggests, this layout brings a festive feel with a charming snowy landscape, featuring miniature trains running on 2 tracks. Waldkirch, an N-gauge German country layout by John Hopkins, exhibited by Alan Williams. This layout captures a charming rural German scene in N-gauge, depicting a small German station and measuring approximately 3 foot by 2 foot 6 inches. Zindelstein, an OO9 narrow gauge Austrian themed layout exhibited by Alan Williams, is a lovely little railway that winds around a castle on the top of a mountain. Stonebridge Junction, the club's highly detailed OO gauge layout, exhibited by Anthony Jones, Oliver Jones, and Lawrence Sharp. This extensive layout operates on 2 levels with both DCC and analog control, and was even featured in the August 2020 issue of Railway Modeller. It boasts a large station, sidings, and a coal yard with fully operating pit head and mine shaft, complete with working lift shafts and winding gear.
Sorry, but sometimes it delays. Because the morning can be a delay and then it's sometimes coming off as well. Choose my one. Yeah. Sweet on. 6. Yeah, I come too early. Somerset though.
Westdock, a 00 gauge layout exhibited by Andrew Parry. This one offers a bit of fun. As you might see, it is running British trains one day and Irish trains the next, showcasing a variety of rolling stock. Pont Avon Hump Shunt, a club layout exhibited by Kevin James. This is a fascinating hump shunt layout featuring automatic siding selection, motorised shed doors and traffic lights, showcasing some impressive automation in miniature. Backenforth is an OO9 layout built and exhibited by Andrew Jeffries. This compact layout demonstrates impressive automation and detail within a very small footprint. Morgan Road, an O-gauge terminus station layout exhibited by Andrew Jeffries, David Butterworth and Ian Whitaker. This impressive layout features a working wagon pusher, a coal tippler, a sector plate and a coal loading stage. All of these elements are controlled by software and operated by a remote control, making it for a highly interactive and detailed model railway.
Say to them that you start off with 00, but if you're a true crop enthusiast, you will end up going to much bigger scales. Yeah. I mean, my black engine I do off a 5. Where'd that come from?
I like the sound chip on that logo. I do the same thing myself when you go to exhibitions.
Oh, yeah, but
Not slow,
do you think it's stopped?
Unbelievable, that,
Yeah,
isn't
it looks better than on the chart.
Most of that is though, look over there.
Quarryside Halt, a detailed OO9 Gauge club layout, exhibited by Martin Charlton. Built by Stuart Hewison and Andrew Jeffreys, this impressive two-level slate quarry features custom 3D printed locomotives and wagons, along with beautifully scratch-built buildings and scenics. Measuring approximately 4 feet 6 inches by 2 feet 6 inches, it's a compact yet incredibly intricate scene. And even for a small open day, we had traders. We had Robert Williams Model Railway and Photo Sales, offering a great selection, and if you were looking to purchase models, Eric's Emporium was available at Furness Siding Station. I sincerely hope that you've enjoyed this look at the Pontypool and Blaenavon Railway Open Day 2025. As always, if you want to keep up to date with model railway exhibitions and railway videos in general, please subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos. And if you have any questions about any of the layouts or traders, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Hwyl fawr.